Hello class, so let's continue the explanation of the chapter from trade to territory. I'll start with the headings. Setting up a new administration. Warren Hastings, who was the Governor General from the 1773 through 1785, played a significant role in the expansion of the company power. During this time, the company had acquired power in the Bengal, Bombay, and the Madras. British territories were broadly divided into administrative unit called the presidencies. There were three presidencies: Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. Each was ruled by the governor. From 1772, a new system of justice was established. According to the new system, each district needed to have the two courts: a criminal court, that is a फौजदारी अदालत, civil court यानी कि दीवानी अदालत. The Brahman Pandits have different interpretations of the local laws based on the different schools of the Dharmashastras to bring uniformity. In 1775, 11 Pandits were asked to compile a digest of the Hindu laws. By 1778, a code of the Muslim laws was also compiled for the benefit of the European judges. Under the Regulation Act of 1773, a new Supreme Court was established. While a court of appeal, the Sadar Nizamat Adalat, was also set up at the Calcutta. The collector was the principal figure in an Indian district. His job was to collect the revenue and taxes and maintain law and order in his district with the help of the judges, police officers, and the darogas. The company army. In India, colonial rule brought some new ideas of administration and reform. The Mughal army composed a cavalry. Cavalry means sawars, trained soldiers on horseback, होते cavalry. And infantry means on foot, पैदल चलने वाले सिपाही. The army of the Mughal was dominated by the cavalry. In the 18th century, changes occurred when the Mughal successor states like the Awadh and the Banaras started recruiting peasants into their armies and training them as the professional soldiers. The East India Company adopted the same method, which came to be known as the Sepoy army, from which the Indian word सिपाही meaning soldier. सिपाही से उन्होंने सिपाही word बनाया. In the early 19th century, the British began to develop a uniform military culture. Soldiers were subjected to European-style training, drill, and discipline that regulated their life far more than before. In conclusion, the East India Company was transformed from trading company to a territorial colonial power. In the early 19th century, new steam technology arrived. By 1857, the company came to exercise direct rule over about 63% of the territory and 78% of the population to the Indian subcontinent. Here the explanation of the chapter is over, student.